let's get our journal together. You need to glue your problem of the day at the top, draw your vertical line down the middle, and horizontal line across the middle. Pause the video to get your journal ready. Let's start with our read. There were 10 kids at lunch. Some had white milk, some had chocolate milk. Now it's time to draw. We're going to draw the math way and put them in 5 groups. Since there are 10 kids, your 5 groups will probably look like a 10 frame to you today. You are going to draw 4 different ways to show this problem, making 10. You're going to show some have white milk and some have chocolate milk. For W, write, you are going to write a number sentence that shows each different way. Take a picture on Seesaw.